Hi, and welcome back. Once again, this is an unboxing video, but I wanted to share it with you because it's a stamping platform which I found at Michael's on the clearance rack. It was $10, originally $39.99, and this is from We Are Memory Keepers. So this is a good idea for you to go and check out the clearance section at Michael's because you never know what you can find. Now, this stamping platform gives you all the details on the back of the package. It is magnetic and you can use it with just about any cling stamp, which is the rubber cling or the clear. Some of you might be familiar with other stamping platforms, such as the Misty, and the one I'm showing you here is the one from Tonic Studios by Tim Holtz. And what I like about it is that it has an open end, so you can use larger sheets of paper if you're doing stamping, especially with multiple stamping. And then the plastic end on the side does come out so that it accommodates rubber and clear stamps as well. And also to note that there's no need to use any foam for stamping certain types of stamps. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and open this one, and I'm going to have to use my trusty scissors in order to do that. It took some work to do to get this open, but finally I did, and I'm going to remove that back piece there, but I'm not going to throw it away because it does contain all the information regarding my Crafter's Essential stamping tool. And it's going to give me some basic instructions on how to use it on the front and the back. Now, this stamping pad does come with two little magnets because it is magnetized. And as you can see there, it's pretty strong. So you want to keep those away from any items that you don't want demagnetized. And I'm just going to put that aside in its little container for now. And then this is what the stamping platform looks like. It does come with a foam pad that you can use with any stamps. And I do like the fact that it is open-ended, similar to the one that I showed you previously. It is not as big as that one, but when you're making smaller cards and little items like that, and maybe tags, you probably don't want something big. And now this is the top portion of it. And what I like about it is that it is not hinged to the actual platform. And you can see that it has little rubber feet that goes on top with the little guides for the pegs to go through the hole so that it doesn't move around much. So I like that. And here's a side view of what that looks like. And I'm taking a look at the magnets to make sure that they do work and they're sticking on there pretty good. You can also use additional magnets if you have them so that you can hold your projects down as you stamp them. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together again. I like that everything fits nice and neat. It's compact, so I can take it anywhere I wish whenever I feel like stamping anything. And it's nice and easy to handle. So I'm going to keep these little sheets for now because they do give me little instructions on how to use this. And this is a We Are Memory Keepers product, which I did find on clearance at my local Michael's. And I think I got a pretty good deal. I do look forward to using this in some of my future projects, so I hope that you will join me for that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.